The current value of Bittorrent is estimated to be 0.000861 rams per coin, with a price range between 0.000843 and 0.000862. This represents a little increase from the previous day's closing price of 0.000842. The observed change in the reverse rate from ZAR to BTT Bittorrent is an increase of 0.00019 and an additional 2.26 units. This shift is indicative of the anticipated cost expectations for the near future and upcoming month. The anticipated cost of Bittorrent for Monday, July 31, is estimated to be 0.000844. The high value of rands is 0.000903, while the low value is 0.000785. On Tuesday, August 1st, the estimated cost of Bittorrent was observed to be 0.000826 rands at its highest point, while its lowest point was recorded at 0.000768 rands. On Wednesday, July 20th, the projected cost of Bittorrent was 0.000846. The high value of rands is 0.000905, while the low value is 0.000787. On Thursday, August 3rd, the estimated cost of Bittorrent was 0.000838. The high value for rands is 0.000897. While the low value is 0.000779. On Friday, August 4th, the projected cost of Bittorrent was 0.000818 rands, with a high of 0.000875 and a low of 0.000761 during a multi-week period. The cost of Bittorrent conjecture on Monday, August 7 St. was 0.000843. The upper bound of the value of rands is 0.000902, while the lower bound is 0.000784. On Tuesday, August 1st, the anticipated cost of Bittorrent was 0.000833. The high value for rands is 0.000891, while the low value is 0.000775. On Wednesday, August 2nd, the Bittorrent hypothesis had a high cost of 0.000873 rands and a low cost of 0.000759 rands. The anticipated cost of Bittorrent on Thursday, August 3rd, ranged from 0.000731 rands, low, to 0.000841 rands, high, with an average of 0.000786 rands. On Friday, August 4th, the projected cost of Bittorrent was estimated to be between 0.000763 rands, low, and 0.000877 rands, high, with an average of 0.000820 rands. These projections are based on historical data and do not account for any unforeseen circumstances. It is important to note that these estimates are subject to change over the course of approximately 14 days. On Monday, August 7th, the expected cost of Bittorrent was 0.000775 rands, with a high of 0.000829 rands and a low of 0.000721 rands. On Tuesday, August 8th, the cost of Bittorrent was 0.000805 rands, with a high of 0.000861 rands and a low of 0.000749 rands. On Wednesday, August 9th, the projected cost of Bittorrent was 0.000810 rands, with a high of 0.000867 and a low of 0.000753. On Thursday, August 10th, the estimated cost of Bittorrent was 0.000788 rands, with a high of 0.000843 and a low of 0.000733. On Friday, August 11th, the projected cost of Bittorrent was 0.000804 rands, with a high of 0.000860 and a low of 0.000748, as anticipated for the upcoming 3-week period. On Monday, August 14, the Bittorrent gauge recorded a price of 0.000804 rands, with a high of 0.000860 and a low of 0.000748. On Tuesday, August 15, the projected cost of Bittorrent was 0.000791 rands, with a high estimate of 0.000846 and a low estimate of 0.000736. On Wednesday, August 16, the cost of Bittorrent was estimated to be 0.000798 rands, with a high estimate of 0.000854 and a low estimate of 0.000742. On Thursday, August 17, the anticipated cost of Bittorrent was observed to be 0.000792 rands, with a high of 0.000847 and a low of 0.000737. On Friday, August 18, the price of Bittorrent was seen to be 0.000790 rams at its highest point and 0.000845 rams at its lowest point, with a fluctuation range of 0.000735 rams. This price trend is expected to last for approximately 1 month. The expected cost of Bittorrent on Monday, August 21, ranged from 0.000741 rands, low, to 0.000853 rands, high. On Tuesday, August 22, the cost of Bittorrent was estimated to be between 0.000750 rands, low, and 0.000862 rands, high. Looking ahead, the projected value of Bittorrent for the years 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 indicates that in November 2023, the cost is expected to start at 0.000693 rands, with a high estimate of 0.000786 rands and a low estimate of 0.000684 rands. The average cost is projected to be 0.000725 rands. The expected change in Bittorrent cost for November is 6.1%. The projected Bittorrent estimate for the initial period of December 2023 commences at a cost of 0.000735. The cost of rand is seen to be 0.000799, while the cost of the low-cost option is 0.000695.